Welcome to Epic Mint Leaves, your channel for mind-blowing vegan recipes. Sugar-free, dairy-free, gluten-free, oil-free, nut-free, flourless, high-protein, low-fat, super quick and easy, super chocolaty. This is the healthiest chocolate cake ever made, and it's so delicious. Made with kidney beans, but no bean taste. It's addictive, but don't worry, it's so good for you. So hit the subscribe button and let's get started. First up, open a can of kidney beans. Drain. Rinse. And throw them into a blender. Along with a cup of soft dates. Half a cup of cocoa powder. A quarter cup of ground flaxseed. 2 teaspoons of baking powder. And a cup of a plant-based milk. Next, blend it until it's super smooth. Pour it into a cake tin. And bake it at 350 Fahrenheit for 40 minutes. Cover with dark chocolate. Now enjoy a super delicious and super healthy chocolate cake. Thanks for watching.